In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract data about YouTube videos to Excel. For this purpose, we'll use the YouTube Video Info Extractor. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster, create a free Botster account, and log in. Enter the bot name, YouTube Video Info Extractor, into the search bar. Click on the bot name. The YouTube Video Info Extractors page will open. Click on the green button, name your job, for example, Olympics Games. Paste one or more links to YouTube videos. Select how you'd like the bot to notify you when the job is done. Available options include email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, webhook, Zapier. Click the green button to launch the bot into action. Now you can see the bot running. Once the bot is finished, you'll see the blue completed sign. To download the extracted results as an Excel, CSV, or JSON file, click on the desired icon. To view the extracted results online, click on View Data. Let's view the results online. For each of the videos, the YouTube Video Info Extractor has exported their channel URLs, video titles, video descriptions, tags, views, likes, and more. View the full example file from this video on the bot page. Create a free account on Botster and get access to the YouTube Video Info Extractor and dozens of other powerful bots.